Deck boards coming loose from the frame is one of the most annoying problems you can face when chilling outside, but fixing it is simpler than you think. So, first off, grab some good exterior grade screws because nails just don't hold up over time, you know? Start by checking each loose board and pulling it tight against the frame. Then, drill pilot holes to keep the wood from cracking before you screw it down. If a board still feels shaky, slap on some construction adhesive between the board and the frame to add extra hold. Make sure the adhesive is safe for outdoor use, so it doesn't wash away or break down. Don't over-tighten the screws or you might crush the wood and cause more damage. If you notice gaps forming, it's a sign you might need to replace worn-out boards or the frame itself. Keeping your deck clean and dry also helps prevent boards from loosening in the first place. One of the biggest mistakes is using nails instead of screws, which leads to boards popping loose fast. Switching to corrosion. Resistant screws fixes that easily. Another issue is not drilling pilot holes before screwing in, which can split the wood. Just pre-drill small holes to avoid this problem. Lastly, skipping construction adhesive when boards feel loose means the fix won't last. Applying adhesive under the boards before screwing them down makes your deck way sturdier. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot if you want to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff about decks and home repairs. Plus, if you're a contractor looking for work, it's a solid way to connect with homeowners ready to get projects done.